welcome to the viewers of my YouTube channel. In this today's video, we are going to see about milk skin. So milk skin is nothing but when you prepare tea or coffee, the hot tea or coffee when you keep a while as such, after the preparation, some layer is used to get formed on the surface of the tea or coffee. So once you prepared hot tea or coffee, you keep that hot tea or coffee aside for a while. After a while, a surface, a thin permanent surface is used to get formed on the surface of the hot tea or coffee. So we are going to see what is this surface. So this is defined as the milk skin. So milk skin is nothing but a permanent thin layer which is formed on the surface of the hot tea or coffee. Mostly it is used to get formed due to the presence of magnesium and calcium sulfates. So this milk skin not have a special taste or odor, but it taste is somewhat discomfortable for us or unpleasant for us. We cannot able to taste it. That much unpleasant taste will be there. So this milk skin is mainly consist of calcium and magnesium sulfate. So sulfate is nothing but the salt form of the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is nothing but mostly the type of mineral, the colorless mineral or the acid which is mainly used as a fertilizer in agricultural process and also in chemical manufacture, explosive manufacture, drug manufacture. In this process, the sulfuric acid is have vast application. The sulfate of the sulfuric acid, which means the salt form of the sulfuric acid, is defined as the sulfate. Calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate. So magnesium sulfate is mostly that is silver white light color, which is mostly flammable and produce a high brightness of flame. So the salt of the magnesium is called magnesium sulfate and the salt of the calcium. Calcium is normally present in the milk. So this presence of the calcium in the milk has one benefit which is known as improvement in the bones and teeth. So this calcium and minerals not only present in the milk alone, this calcium and magnesium are present in the water also. To prepare a tea or coffee, we use milk. Along with the milk, we use some amount of water. So whenever you heat this milk, that means which is tea or coffee, during the high temperature or due to the high temperature, the calcium and magnesium become soluble. After the preparation, when the tea or coffee in a warm condition, which is consumable condition, some insoluble calcium and magnesium sulfates will present. That insoluble calcium and magnesium sulfate is present on the surface of the skin milk or milky skin. So this is the one reason, due to insoluble of the calcium and magnesium which is present in the water and also in the milk, leads to the formation of this milky skin. This reason is proposing that this is the one reason for this. Another one reason is due to the presence of fats and proteins molecules. These fats and proteins, for example, if you take in the surface of the tea or surface of the coffee, if you take, the fats and proteins are used to get present below the layer of or the surface of the tea or coffee. On the surface of the tea or coffee, some water level will be there. While you used to heat this tea or coffee, the water which is present on the surface of the tea or coffee is used to get evaporate. After the evaporation, the screen is used to get off and the fat and proteins are used to get come up on the surface. So when due to the heating of the tea or coffee, the fat and protein cannot able to bind with each other, so it is used to get together and start to evaporate. So if you overheat the tea or coffee, the fat and proteins are start to bind among themselves and start to evaporate. After the evaporation, the insoluble calcium and magnesium are used to get come onto the surface, and that insoluble calcium and magnesium form this milky skin. So this is called skin milk or milk skin, and this is another one reason they are telling why this surface is used to get formed. So it's nothing but the one point is that nothing but due to the insoluble of calcium and magnesium sulfate minerals, only this milk skinning is formed. This has been proposed and concluded. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thank you.